Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the video. If your device is having the Wi-Fi or hotspot problem, the Wi-Fi or hotspot is not working or not connecting, you can solve this issue by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Wi-Fi and hotspot issue in your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro. Let's watch the video.